If you're starting with no credit history, it can feel confusing. The good news is that building credit is completely doable, and you don't need a ton of money to start. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple path to go from zero credit to a solid score in a few months. Credit is basically a record that shows how responsible you are with borrowed money. Lenders use it to decide if they can trust you. A strong credit score makes life easier. It can lower loan rates, help you get approved for apartments, and even reduce insurance costs. Having no credit is not the same as having bad credit. You're a blank page. Lenders just don't have data on you yet. So your job is to create that data in a safe and predictable way. The easiest way to begin is with a small line of credit you can handle. One popular option is a secured credit card. You put down a deposit, usually a few $100s, and use the card for tiny purchases you can pay off each month. Once you get the card, don't overspend. Use it for regular expenses you'd buy anyway, like gas or a streaming subscription. Then pay the balance in full before the due date. This shows lenders you can borrow responsibly. Another beginner tool is a credit builder loan. It might sound strange, but you're basically paying a loan to yourself. The bank holds the money until you finish paying. When you're done, you get the cash and a credit history. If you have a family member with good credit, ask if they can add you as an authorized user on one of their cards. Their positive history can help you build credit faster. Just make sure they don't have late payments. Don't apply for too many credit products at once. Each application creates a small temporary dip in your score. When you're new, less is more. Pick one or two tools and focus on using them well. Payment history is the biggest part of your score. Pay on time every time. Even one missed payment can set you back for months. Use autopay if it helps you stay organized. Utilization means how much of your credit limit you're using. Lower is better. If your limit is $300 and you spend $60, that's 20% utilization. Try to stay under 30% while building credit. Most people can generate a basic credit score in about 3 to 6 months. It won't be perfect yet, but it gets you in the system. From there, you can slowly raise it into the good and excellent range. There are companies that promise to boost your score instantly for a fee. Be careful. Credit grows by showing real responsible behavior over time. Anything that sounds too fast or too easy is probably not worth it. Use free tools to track your score and reports. You can check your credit reports from all 3 bureaus for free once a year. Monitoring helps you catch mistakes and learn how your habits affect your score. Credit is like trust. It builds slowly, then works in your favor for years. Once you establish good habits, maintaining them becomes easy. Starting from zero isn't a disadvantage. It's a clean slate. Use a secured card or credit builder loan, pay on time, keep balances low, and give it a few months. You'll surprise yourself. If you found this helpful, check out more beginner credit videos. Small steps today can save you a lot of money down the road.